a singer first approaches the stage and does his first few numbers, there's a tendency to be a little nervous, you know. But please don't be. Just sit back and relax. But seriously, we'd like to thank you very, very much for joining us this evening on our show, and we'd like to say good evening to all of the people in your great country of Australia. We're very, very delighted to be here for the second time in our career. We're having a marvelous time. And I want to thank you once again for tuning in, and you people for being here. Thank you. We have a brand new album that's entitled Trini Lopez Now, and with your permission, we'd like to do a song from my brand new album. Sonny, yesterday my life was filled with rain. Sonny, you smiled at me and really eased the pain. Not the darkness are done, the brightness are here. My sunny one shines so sincere. Oh, Sonny, I love you. Sonny, thank you for the sunshine bouquet. Sonny, thank you for the love you brought my way. You gave to me, you're all in all. Now I feel 10 feet tall. Oh, Sonny, I love you. Sonny, for the truth you've let me see. Sonny, thank you for the facts from A to Z. My life was torn like a windblown sand, then a rock was formed when we held hands. So Sonny, I love you. Sonny, for the smile upon your face. Sonny, thank you for the gleam that flows with grace. You're my spark, nature's fire. You're my sweet companion.